জয় বিশ্বেশ্বরী জয় বিশালাক্ষী জয়।
Actually, there was poison in the powder container. Poison, which Jayanta used to kill Sudha, and he planned for it. Hey Jayanta, tell me, am I lying? Tell me.
Nayan, do you remember Tarun once told us that the poison present in the flowers in my room was in a particular form? That means it was like powder dust.
Murderer? Is Jayanta a murderer? What a shame. All these days we've fostered this murderer at our home. What a shame. That's the reason our family is facing problems one after another. We have established Lord's idol in our house. And in the same house, this murderer roamed everywhere. What a shame.
What are you all saying? Please listen to me first. Jasmine was also, she was also equally involved.
Jayanta, how much? How much more? How much more? Tell me. Do not defend yourself anymore. Please. Why are you doing this? If you still keep defending yourself, there will be no bigger crime than that. Nothing. Nothing. Nothing at all. I'm so sorry, Jayanta. I have to play the trick. Jayanta, don't you know how much dear I am to Dad? And didn't you say yourself and promise me that you'll accept your crime? That you wouldn't send me to jail? Didn't you say that? So if Dad comes to know that I went to jail, he can even disown you. Remember that. That's why I'm saying, just confess your crime. Dad will bail you out. Don't worry, okay? Don't worry at all.
It seems like Miss Jasmine whispered something in Jayanta's ears. What is happening? No, it isn't as simple as it seems. Speak up, Jayanta. Speak up, please. At least tell them the truth now, please. The day we brought flowers for Dripto, you went to attend Sudha's death anniversary, right? Do you remember that? You called me from there and told me that Nayan and Dripto had gone there. You told me that Nayan would never leave Dripto. Even if he married me, Dripto would stay with Nayan. So he needed to be killed just after the wedding in order to get his property. Didn't you say that?
Is this what Jayanta said?
Yes, he did. He said that. Ask him. He said You have to be fast in what you do, Jesse. But I forbade him. Tell me, Jayanta, do you remember? Didn't I forbid you? I told you that you might not have loved Sudha, but I loved Dripto. I loved them so much. To me, Dripto was more valuable than the property. Didn't I say that? I told you I was not a murderer like you. I couldn't kill Dripto. Didn't I tell you that not to try to harm Dripto? I couldn't realize that he had sent poison flowers the same day. If I had any idea, I wouldn't have allowed anyone to keep those flowers in Dripto's room. Never! Never ever.
Is it so, Miss Jasmine? If you had no idea that there was poison in the flowers kept in Dripto's room, then why did you get scared when I made them sniff it to you? Will you tell me? Come on, smell it. What happened? What happened, Miss Jasmine? Why are you silent? Tell me. Why did you get scared that day? Tell me.
I got scared, Nayan. I was really scared. Your eyes were burning. I got scared seeing them. I realized that you could not tolerate me getting close to Dripto. You did not like it. So I thought you might harm me. You might kill me. Am I wrong?
How do you instantly think about harming people, Miss Jasmine? Actually, you always wish to harm others. So you think the entire world is like you. Am I right?
Hold on, Nayan. Leave this for now. First, let Jasmine speak, because Tarun needs to know all of it. Go on, Jasmine.
Thank you, Dripto. Thank you so much. Really, why would I take the blame for someone else's death? Tell me. I won't do it. I won't do it. No way. Do you know when that powder case came back to me? What happened after my wedding was called off? Jayanta returned it to me. He asked me to hide it. I charged him for that too. But he said that it was just a matter of few days, so I should keep it with me. And then he would take it back. I couldn't understand what to do. I was clueless. Dad was also not in the country at that time. I do not have any friends here, so I couldn't tell anyone about the powder container. No one. But the day Dad came back, I was running to him to hand the powder container over to him and tell him the truth. But Aunt Durba suddenly dragged me to the hospital. And there, I bumped into Nayan and the powder container fell out of my bag. And everyone thought that the container was mine. Mine.
Miss Jasmine? Miss Jasmine, if this is the case, then why have you been lying to everyone all this time? Why did you say that the powder container was yours and there was nothing mixed in it? Why did you say that, Miss Jasmine? Why?
To save Jayanta, Nayan, to save him. No matter how many crimes he committed, at the end of the day, he is my elder brother, right? But believe me, I realize now that even if I want to save him, he doesn't want to do the same for me. I told him every day, do not do such things. I warned him. When I refused to keep the container, Jayanta told me, your brother is here. You please don't worry. Don't worry. He said, if I get caught someday, he would confess his crimes. He wouldn't let anything happen to me. He wouldn't. But today he kept quiet. Seeing me getting framed, he remained silent. So I was compelled to bring the truth in front of everyone.
So this is how you are betraying me, Jasmine.
Jayant! Whatever Jasmine said till now, are they true? Speak up, Jayant. Speak up! I want to hear the truth from you, Jayant. I want you to say that you are a criminal.
It seems like one of Miss Jasmine's ploys. She's trying to put all the blame on her brother to save herself. Policeman! Policeman, I have something to say to you. Policeman, I get the feeling that what's happening here is not the complete truth. Trust me.
What do you mean by that? Nayan, what are you trying to say?
I think Miss Jasmine is trying to put the blame on her brother and save herself.
Oh Lord, it's Nayan again. She realized the truth once again. I have to stop it right now. Don't talk nonsense, Nayan. Why would I put the blame on Jayanta? See, everyone has seen that Jayanta kept quiet all this time. Please, do not make this complicated for no reason.
Let your brother say whether I'm complicating or simplifying it, Miss Jasmine. Mr. Jayanta? Mr. Jayanta, the crimes Miss Jasmine mentioned, are you the only one responsible for them? No one else was involved in it? Are you the only one who committed the crimes? Tell me, Mr. Jayanta. Wasn't Miss Jasmine your accomplice? Tell me. Do not remain silent. Please tell me. Say in front of everyone that Miss Jasmine was equally involved in them. Say it, Mr. Jayanta. Look, Mr. Jayanta, you cannot save anyone by covering up their crimes. Lord, Lord punishes them. I beg you, please confess the truth in front of everyone, Mr. Jayanta. Say that Miss Jasmine helped you in this game of killing people. Please tell.
Your elder brother promises you that I won't let you get caught away. I promise you.
Jayanta, confess what you have done. Dad will bail you out. Don't worry about it. Just confess your crime.
What do I do now? One murder and one attempt to murder. If I take all the blame, will even Dad be able to save me? But if I divulge Jasmine's name, she'll be in trouble too. Then Dad will also misunderstand me. What should I do? What do I do now? What do I do?
What happened, Jayant? Why are you still silent? Tell me. Answer my question. I want to know the truth. Jayant, did you kill my daughter? Did you kill my dear Sudha? Did you?
Yes.
How you killed my dear Sudha? By poisoning the flowers?
Yes.
And you plan to murder Dripto in the same way, didn't you?
Yes.
Thank Lord. Jayanta took all the blame. I'm safe now. Completely safe.
And Pratima? Doesn't Chowmeen's brother look really nice? Like a complete gentleman? What a shame. Disgusting. One murder and one conspiracy. I can't even imagine that. And Pratima, I should have realized it. Don't the killers or the villains look like gentlemen in the movies also? He is exactly like that. Such a devil.
No. We are all blaming only Mr. Jayanta. This isn't right. It's wrong. You are lying, Mr. Jayanta. Look up. I am saying look into everyone's eyes and tell the truth, please. Why are you doing such stupidity? Do you know? Do you know what the result of lying like this could be? Can you imagine? Look, I can understand very clearly that you are trying to save Miss Jasmine. Look, you will get punished alone, and your accomplice will roam around freely without any hesitation.
This girl is still not giving up. I would have found peace if I could shut her up forever.
If you were partners in crime and everything, then why wouldn't you share the punishment, Mr. Jayanta? Why would you suffer in jail alone? Please, Mr. Jayanta, I beg you to confess to the crime. Confess the truth. Please, I'm telling you.